Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform Sign with HubSpot. This integration streamlines your workflow by connecting form submissions directly to your CRM, making it easier to capture leads and manage contacts without manual data entry. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign into your account using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to get access to the platform. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard where all your marketing, sales, and service tools are accessible. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen and locate the marketplace icon in the navigation bar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the apps and integrations available to extend HubSpot's functionality and connect it with other tools you use. Once you're in the app marketplace, use the search field at the top to type in Jotform and press enter. You'll see a list of results appear, and you want to locate the Jotform integration listing specifically. This integration allows you to sync form responses directly into HubSpot, eliminating the need to manually transfer data between platforms. Click on the Jotform integration listing to open its details page. Here you'll find an overview of what the integration does, the features it offers, and the setup steps required. Take a moment to review this information to understand how the integration will benefit your workflow. Next, click the Install button to begin linking your accounts. This action will redirect you to the Jotform website where the actual connection process takes place. This step is necessary because both platforms need to authenticate and authorize the data sharing between them. On the Jotform website, look for the HubSpot CRM integration option. A pop-up menu will appear, and in the top right corner with a green highlight, you'll see an option that says Add to Form. Click on it to proceed with the integration setup. You'll now be presented with two options: create a form from scratch or use a pre-built template. Choose the type of form you want to create based on your needs. Options include contact forms, deal forms, ticket forms, company forms, or even custom forms tailored to your specific requirements. Select the one that best fits your use case. After making your selection, you'll be prompted to authenticate the connection. This means signing in with your Jotform account to verify that you have permission to link these two platforms. Complete the authentication process by entering your Jotform credentials. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jotform with your HubSpot account. Your form submissions will now flow directly into HubSpot, keeping your CRM updated automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.